guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and for those who already subscribed previously, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel as we begin this YouTube journey together. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do your nails. I normally do it at home at my own comfort zone, so I'm going to show you how you can do it as well. So guys, this is everything I'm going to use. This is the nail glue, these are the nails I'm going to use, the G nail, the charm marks gel, and the top coat. It's a jelly top coat, and this is the lamp I'm going to use. I'm so excited because I just bought it and I'm going to try it out. It's so amazing and huge compared to the previous one. And these are the nail file and the buffer. You're going to arrange the nails according to the size. This is the smallest so far, so you're going to arrange them. Number 9. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to file your nails, because when you file the nails, it's going to help stay longer. Oh my god, I really feel like Cardi B right now. So as you can see, we got our nails. So we are done with the nails. I know they look pretty cool and stuff like that, but no, we have to, I prefer it short. So if you prefer it long, you can definitely keep it the size that you want to, because it's your fingers, girl. Remember, you have to trim the nails according to the length that you prefer. If you want them long, you don't have to trim anything. If you want them short, well, welcome to the club. Oh, it's going to take forever, by the way, so I have to like So guys, as you can see, I've just finished cutting and filing my nails. I just finished shaping them and they look really beautiful. I'm so in love with them right now. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it, and leave a comment down below.